President Muhammadu Buhari has pledged Nigeria's commitment to multilateralism as the United Nations celebrates 75 years of its establishment. Moyo Thomas reports.
This is the first time world leaders are not meeting physically as the United Nations General Assembly opens. It is one of the effects of the coronavirus public health crisis. The multilateral meeting is usually an opportunity for world leaders to meet and facilitate bilateral agreements between their countries and for countries to network. The 75th session is also the commemoration of the 75 years of the establishment of the United Nations. The heads of governments of all countries sent in messages which were broadcast.
President of the General Assembly.
In his speech, Nigeria's President Muhammadu Buhari remarked that the United Nations has continued to play the crucial role of fostering global peace and security, in accordance with the aspirations of the founders. He disclosed that Nigeria was also working on achieving internal security and taking care of the internally displaced. President Buhari urged member states to abide by UN Resolution 1514 on decolonization of all countries and peoples.
In this regard, I call on member states to abide by United Nations Resolution 1514 on the granting of independence to colonial countries and peoples.
President Buhari also says the pandemic has affected Nigeria's work towards achieving Sustainable Development Goal 2030, and solutions to this requires joint effort of all countries.
Collectively, we have improved and saved lives, as well as defended the rights of the vulnerable in adherence to the principles of the United Nations.
This year's commemoration of UN at 75 also coincides with Nigeria's 60th year of joining the multilateral body. The United Nations was formed in 1945 following the devastation of the World War II. Its objective is to maintain international peace and security. 193 countries are full members with 2 observer states. Nigeria joined in 1960 after its independence. Moyo Thomas, TVC News, Abuja.